All right. What is it? It's June 10th.
Yeah.
We're still in bed. It's 11:30. Let me tell you, we didn't get to the hotel until 4 o'clock and in the morning, because where we finished chasing yesterday, there were no hotels. And I booked a hotel, and I thought it was where we were going, and it was 57 miles west. That's the late night problems you run into, but it was a great day. Doing this today because we just got upgraded to a moderate risk, and we might get a chance at a tornado, something awesome today. So I want to do a vlog for it, and I'll show the SPC here in a second. But this is some wild hair we got going on right now. Yeah, here's Storm Prediction Center. They upgraded us to moderate today. If you've never been to this page, there you go. Click on moderate, if it'll work. So here's our moderate risk, and you go and highlight, hover over tornado. We got a little 10%, which just happens to be our target area, which was, we were in Sidney, which you can't see, but it's right around here. So we're literally woke up in a 10% today. I mean, we couldn't have planned that better when we didn't, because we weren't going to stay here. We were going to stay there in Glasgow. So I'd like to say we planned it, but we knew we'd be here today. So here's what we got. This is one of the models, the her, and that's our target area where that big red blip is showing up in the middle, and you can see it goes pretty berserk for a while. It doesn't move very much, and there's more behind it, and it kind of goes off. And then there's another storm that forms behind it late that we could also get on. And then hopefully we outrun the MCS from hell and don't get destroyed by supposed hurricane force winds that the SBC mentioned. I mean, that's going to be quite an event tonight. Look at that. We will not be chasing that all the way out there, because that is 3 in the morning and I'm tired. So hopefully today's good. We have high hopes. Watching video, we are there, and we got a little Q field going up already. Watch it on the satellite. A storm may fire right around here and move into North Dakota. Good start going on here, but it's real early still. We've got a couple hours before initiation. It is windy. We got turkey towers trying to go already. A little bit of time left, but this is a good sign right here. Something's gonna probably fire. But this is some good inflow. It's gonna be a, as Brett says, keep the tripod low kind of day.
That's right.
And last time we saw good winds like this, well, one of the last times was Tahoka. It had a big tornado, so we'll see. Getting food real quick for Brad, but look at this storm trying to go up already. Well, it's not trying, it's going up. Explosive development. Here we go, we're time-lapsing some storms going up, just to get the start of the day. This could be our storm. All right, so here's the start of our storms. We've already got a severe warning. The tops are not super huge yet. Lightning on it though. Hail core has not gone nuts. So we're just going to watch this, see what it looks like. Kind of hoping that this one will be out on its own, because there's a big line kind of going up, but this one, as you can see, is off to the east by itself. And if it can start deviating and it goes more northeast, it can maybe stay away from this jump. We'll see. All right, so we got tornado warned storm now. You can see this. You can make out the structure there. Very, very windy. Sorry. Wall cloud right there. We got dueling mesocyclones here, 1 and 2, with Mamatis to dream about. Woo. nice tornado, kind of happened fast out of nowhere, and it's still early. Hopefully this keeps going, but that was really cool. We were pretty pumped. Brad saw it, first tornado of the trip, and very excited that he got to see that. We still have a nice structured supercell out there that hopefully will keep going. My buddy, my friend. Did you get it?
I was to the north.
Come on!
I missed the whole.
How are you?
I missed nothing.
Oh, good, good, yes. High five. We're fully back.
Yeah.
No, oh, come on.
Okay, fine.
Yes!
Yeah.
Woo! Oh yeah. We got it from right here.
You see where the structure shot was?
Just a beast right here. It's beautiful.
Your camera.
It's awesome. We're the Mattis above it. This is awesome. But we were here first, and then Daniel showed up, and everybody showed up. You were over there. Did you get a better photo than us? I want a big bolt. This is great.
Well done today. We were just on a main road.
Look at all the cameras. I think there's lightning. There's like a wall cloud. There's big bolts happening out there. We definitely have enough. And we still have cameras in our hands back here. Yeah, get a picture. Beautiful storm here. We're just praying, I guess, that maybe it can do something. We think it's on the warm front, but it does not look like it's rotating, and we've got a storm down there. Can't decide. This is beautiful. Well, we saw 2 tornadoes on this one, but we didn't really, we're driving. They weren't super photogenic, but it was cool to see. This one is just popping CDs out there. It's like crazy. Once again, we have the storm covered. I don't think we'll miss anything. Beautiful. A lot of CGs. There it is. Tumbleweed, it's going crazy.
Montana madness.
Yeah. Tornado today. Cheers. Cheers. Yes. All right. Fun day. Crazy windy outside, but we've got all this.
That's right, wings.
Yes.
Good day.